English together.
Ordering at a coffee shop.
Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please?
Good morning. Absolutely. What type of coffee would you like?
I'll have a cappuccino, please. Medium size if possible.
Sure thing. Would you like it for here or to go?
I'll have it to go, please.
All right. Anything else?
Actually, can I also get a chocolate chip muffin?
Of course. One chocolate chip muffin. Anything else?
Just the cappuccino and the muffin, please.
All right. That will be $8. Cash or card?
I'll pay with card, please.
Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.